Don't throw away an old, broken axe. A cracked wooden handle can be dangerous during use, and repeated repairs often weaken the wood even more over time. Hello everyone. Today, I'm going to show you a simple way to fix a damaged axe handle using something that almost everyone already has at home. It's practical, reliable, and easy to follow. Watch this video until the end, so when your axe breaks, you can repair it yourself safely and with confidence. Take a close look at the blade. In this case, it's old, covered with rust, and the surface is uneven. Clamp it firmly in a vise to keep it stable. A secure setup makes the process safer and more precise. Now, take a grinding tool and begin removing the rust. Work across the surface slowly and evenly. Don't focus on one spot for too long. Move along the entire blade, including both sides and the cutting edge. As you continue grinding, the metal begins to look cleaner. The rust disappears, and the surface becomes smoother. Keep going until you see a consistent finish across the blade. Once the surface is clean, switch your focus to the edge. Refine it carefully so it becomes even again. This step restores the cutting performance. Now the blade is clean, but I'm going to take it one step further. Apply heat to the metal using a torch. Move the flame across the surface to heat it evenly. You don't need to overheat it. Just bring it to a consistent temperature. While the blade is still hot, dip it into a container with lubricant. Let it sit for a moment. This helps protect the surface and improve durability. If you've tried something similar or have your own useful technique, post it in the comments so others can use it too. After a short wait, remove the blade and set it aside to cool. Now, let's move to the handle. Take the broken wooden handle and measure a suitable length. Compared to the original wooden handle, this setup is more resistant to moisture and less likely to crack over time. Mark the section that you want to keep. Then secure it in a vise and cut it cleanly. From this piece, I'm going to create a small wooden insert. This insert will act as a transition between the PVC pipe and the metal head. Shape the wood so one end is slightly narrower and gradually expands. This tapered shape helps it fit tightly inside the pipe. Next, use a grinding tool to reduce the outer diameter slightly. Keep adjusting until it fits snugly into the PVC pipe. Once the shape is right, drill a hole through the center of the insert. Make sure the hole is straight and aligned. Now take a moment to test the fit. Insert the smaller end of the wooden piece into the PVC pipe. It should slide in with slight resistance. Then take a steel expansion anchor and insert it into the hole. Everything should line up properly. At this point, the parts are ready. Now take the PVC pipe and try placing it into the eye of the axe head. You'll notice that it feels loose. That's expected. To fix this, use a heat gun to warm up one end of the PVC pipe. As the material softens, quickly insert it into the axe head. While the PVC is still warm, push the wooden insert into the pipe. Use a hammer to tap it in firmly. Now, take the steel expansion anchor and insert it into the center hole of the wooden insert. Use a hammer to drive it in. Once it is seated, tighten the bolt. As you tighten it, the anchor expands inside the wood, creating a strong internal grip. After tightening, you can cut off any excess part of the anchor using a cutting tool. At this point, the structure is fully reinforced. Take a moment to check the connection. Try moving the handle. It should feel solid, with no looseness between the head and the handle. From a broken and unsafe axe, you now have a functional and reinforced tool that is ready for use. This method uses simple materials and basic tools. You don't need expensive equipment, and you don't need to replace the entire handle. With a bit of effort, you can repair it yourself and even improve its durability. And just like that, the job is done. If you found this idea useful, don't forget to give this video a like and share it with someone who might need it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.